In this tutorial, we'll test strategy logic that uses an analog point and see how flags are set. By setting a flag in an action block based on a low fuel level, you can cause various alarms or events to occur in PAC Control, Groove View, or any other application that has access to the PAC Control variables, such as with the RESTful interface. From debug mode, we know that the fuel monitor chart is running, and on my Groove Epic Learning Center, I'll inspect the fuel level pot analog input point. Turn the knob until the value reported is over 1,000. Click Auto Step. In case your Auto Step button is grayed out, click anywhere on the flowchart to make it active. From the strategy tree, double-click the fuel low flag variable. The flag remains at 0 if the fuel level doesn't go below 1,000. Turn the tank level control knob counterclockwise to a value below 1,000 gallons. The chart's logic exits true and the low-level alarm flag, fuel low flag, is set to true, or 1. This flag is what can be used to start other logic in PAC Control or trigger events in other applications. For example, in PAC Control, a chart with a condition command such as variable true can test if the flag is set to 1. If it does, execute strategy logic based on that value. Turn the control knob clockwise to increase the value to be over 1,000. The flag is reset to 0 and the strategy continues to monitor the fuel level. Resetting the low-level alarm flag back to false somewhere in your process is an important step. You can do it in your strategy like we did here, or from other applications that can access the PAC Control variables. Go ahead and close the inspection windows and take Auto Step off. We've tested the strategy logic with the analog point and confirmed the flag works as expected.